Hi, you guys. Miss Lang here, and I'm just going to show you here. We're going to be learning about spreadsheets today. So from our home page, you're going to want to click here to make a copy. And you're going to want to make sure that once you do make a copy of your spreadsheet, that we can actually share it with me so that I can see it. We're going to be going over how to use formulas to sum, average, max, min, and count. We're going to turn your spreadsheet into a calculator. So this is what the copy should look like. And you notice up here it says copy of. So the first thing I'm going to do is rename this. Okay, and this should be your last name. And then also we need to move it. So I'm going to click on the move folder. And if you can put that in your tech engineering folder and make sure your tech engineering folder is shared with you. Mine goes into a sheets folder. Move it. Okay. All right, so part one is the power of our spreadsheet. So we need to add these two numbers. So the trick with using formulas is that you just have to type in equals, and then the computer knows, oh, hey, you want to do a formula. So I'm going to double click in this yellow box right here, which is B13. I'm going to type an equal sign. And you don't want to type in 21 plus 25 because I might want to need to change this number. So I'm going to click on 21, and you can see right now in my formula bar, it adds B11. And if I look here, B11, okay? And I want to add, so I'm going to use my operator plus sign, and I want to add it to B12. So I'm going to go ahead and click that. Once you're done typing in your formula, you need to hit enter to get out of formula mode. So enter or return on your keyboard. And you now see I have an answer here, 46. So yes, I could have typed in equals 21 plus 25, but check this out. So if I make this 121, you can see the number automatically updates. So that's the power of using a spreadsheet. So here is subtraction. So now the computer's starting to figure out, oh, hey, you want to do some formulas. I'm going to click on my very first cell, which is C11, and I want to subtract that by 12. There we go. We have our second formula. And again here, this is what I'm looking for, the formula up here. So the cells subtracted from. So addition, pretty straightforward. That's just going to be our plus sign. Subtraction, we can use the minus sign. Multiplication's a little different. Use the Shift 8 key. And division's a little different. We're going to use the slash key, which is down by your question mark. Okay, so the slash key's down there. Okay. All right, so that's our first part of the power of the spreadsheet.